In our world, downtime is not an option. So if an engine, drivetrain, hydraulic, or other important machine component breaks down, what are your options? You can rebuild or recondition the component, fixing only what's broken, replacing failed parts, and dealing with the unknown cost of repair and limited warranty. Or you can choose John Deere Reman Component Exchange for like-new performance at a fraction of the cost to maximize your machine's uptime. How it works is simple. When a part fails, your John Deere dealer can order a remanufactured part from our many parts distribution centers. Reman parts are high-performance, genuine John Deere products that typically cost 25 to 30% less than new, and they're covered by a factory warranty. After your dealer receives and installs the remanufactured part and gets you back on the job, they send the failed core part back to our core return center. From there, it goes through an inspection process. And once the inspection is complete, we issue a credit to the dealer, who then issues a credit to you. So what happens to the core part your dealer sent back? First, our highly trained technicians completely disassemble and clean the components' parts. Then we verify those parts against the latest John Deere specifications. Any parts not meeting specifications are either recycled or remanufactured using advanced reclaim techniques. Finally, we inspect and test the component to ensure it meets or exceeds its original performance specifications. So, when the time comes to repair your machine, look to John Deere Reman for a like-new, cost-effective component that's ready when you need it. With John Deere Reman, you don't just get back on the job quickly. You get back on the job with the power and performance you expect from Deere. For more information about our remanufactured parts and components, visit your John Deere dealer today.